Dave Brooks from Pleasant View, Utah, sent in this tip to us for creating a finishing turntable to help with his project of creating multiple Christmas presents that he had to finish efficiently and quickly. It starts with 2 layers of Baltic birch plywood, 3/4 inch, that are glued together with the hole drilled through the center, using a counterbore on the backside to accept a carriage bolt, and a long enough carriage bolt to come through the top with a washer and a nut to secure it in place. The turntable has a hole drilled in the center of it as well, with a T-nut placed on the backside and 4 wood screws that are screwed through the entire 2 layers of plywood to help hold the workpiece up. Once this is all constructed, you just place the turntable on top of the base, give it a quick spin, and get it in place. Once I get the turntable turned down to where I want it, I am ready to put my project on the screws that hold it up in the air. I can position the project where I need it, and I can just grab my favorite can of finish and start applying. Rotate to the other side and finish it off.